Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video aku mau sharing ke kalian how actually I know the universe in the different perspective. Okay. Welcome back my darling. So this is Yuni. I just want to share my experience about how I know about it. Sebenarnya first thing first ya, sebenarnya aku itu I know about universe. Aku tahu tentang Tuhan, everything that oh ya, maaf ya kalau kalian dengar suara anak kecil atau suara anjing di luar. That's because they still play and I'm not sure when will they stop to play. Okay. So, first, actually aku in my family, kita itu percaya akan adanya Tuhan ya. We believe with the universe, we believe with the God. Aku termasuk orang yang lahir di keluarga fanatik. Yeah, fanatic, and we really believe about the karma actually. If we do the bad things, we're gonna earn the karma, the bad karma as well, like that. But that's why since I was child, since I was a small kid, aku selalu please the people. Aku selalu I can say I used to be a people pleaser, but now I'm still learning not to be the people pleaser as well. Aku masih belajar untuk proses penyembuhan diri ya, so aku masih belajar. Aku tahu tentang perspektif yang berbeda tentang universe itu di tahun 2024. Kalau nggak salah tepatnya di sekitar bulan April, Maret atau April. Exactly at that time, I don't know, like for the first time in my life, I saw the universe in the different things. Universe bukanlah something that we need to be scared of. Enggak. Ya aku terlalu takut dulu. Aku takut dulu bahwa kalau ketika aku berbuat jahat, ketika aku berbuat ini, sesuatu yang merugikan orang lain, aku akan terkena imbasnya gitu. Karena dalam my religion like that. Terus sampai pada akhirnya maybe I'm not sure, maybe my soul was tired because of my body and my mind did the bad things toward my soul, because karena aku selalu ignore what I want, what I need, aku selalu memprioritaskan orang lain gitu. Bahkan ketika the first time I know about universe, aku pun di dalam relationship yang dimana aku lebih memberikan daripada menerima. Yeah, I was to be masculine at that time as well, and I attract the feminine man. I can say that he was so feminine. Dia sungguh feminine dan aku terlalu masculine, and perhaps my soul was tired with that. Dan ketika itu juga aku fighting with my siblings and my parents, tidak mau mendengahi hal tersebut. Akhirnya aku pun maybe sadar bahwa pertama kali aku buka mata pagi hari gitu, aku scroll TikTok kan, aku melihat bahwa ada yang namanya dark feminine energy. Aku tertarik dong, gimana sih kok aku selalu gagal dalam relationship, kok my life always like this gitu. I used to blame the God. I can say I used to blame the God. Aku tidak bersyukur atas apapun yang aku punya gitu. Aku sekarang masih belajar untuk itu. I used to blame the God, dan at that time aku ngeliat di TikTok ada tentang dark feminine energy, dan aku scroll. Aku ngeliat kayak, oh kita tuh harus menjadi seorang wanita yang feminine to attract the masculine man. Feminine, dark feminine energy, about seductive, about mysterious woman, like that. I really want to learn that things at that time. Terus setelah itu aku belajar, aku nonton salah satu youtuber Indonesia juga. Dia terkenal banget, dia cantik banget, aku suka banget sama dia. Dan aku juga nonton youtuber di youtuber luar juga. I watch many video about law of attraction dari YouTube luar juga, dan aku tertarik belajar tentang law of attraction. how energy works, how vibration works, how actually the spirituality is, and how actually the God. Dan saat itu aku terbuka bahwa all of this, yeah, of course it's about karma, but it's not about kita melakukan sesuatu yang jahat kepada orang lain, kita kena imbasnya. Itu saja. Enggak tentang itu saja. Dan aku tahu bahwa kita juga harus melakukan sesuatu ke diri kita. Kita juga harus memprotect diri kita harus mencintai diri kita sendiri, kita harus menghargai diri kita sendiri. And if we are doing that, the people gonna respect us, the people gonna trust us, believe with us. Dan kita nggak lagi menjadi seseorang yang selalu melakukan hal-hal baik setiap saatnya. Of course kita harus melakukan hal-hal baik, tapi lakukan dulu ke diri kita gitu. And at that time I was feeling lost actually. My soul kind of, orang bilang bahwa when you know about the law of attraction, when you learn about law of attraction, the law of universe, you gonna lose something at first when you know about that. Like you're gonna lose your family or someone you love or something, or maybe your money. I didn't lose anything at the time. I was like, aku nggak tahu I didn't lose anything. But at the time, I just realized that I lost myself, and because aku giving too much to others, because I was very, very kind. I tried to make the people happy. I prioritized them first. I put my attention into them, not into myself, and I give everything that I can give to them, like that, to make them happy. At that time, my soul was screaming and was crying, and aku merasa my life was horrible. Aku merasa my life was horrible, and this is the fact that benar-benar jatuh gitu, benar-benar jatuh. Dan aku berharap seseorang menolongku dalam hidupku, tapi in fact no one was helping me. Jadi I know about that. I learned about dark feminine energy and refers to the law of attraction. Dan I don't know, sampai sekarang aku masih belajar tentang hal tersebut. Jadi aku merasa seperti aku tuh tertolong banget. The universe really helped me. The universe not let me down. Dan aku merasa bahwa aku dibimbing oleh the universe. Once you believe with the universe, with how strong actually universe, like you gonna put all of your attention to the universe. Aku merasa tertolong banget bahwa aku tahu tentang universe, bahwa aku pun mulai belajar tentang journaling, scripting, belajar tentang meditasi. Meskipun sekarang tuh masih kadang off, kadang lagi, tapi aku masih pengen terus belajar, terutama meditasi dan grounding juga. Jadi satu hal tuh ketika kamu berada di fase yang terburuk dalam hidupmu, because I think it was the bad moment in my life, you don't need to give up. Kamu gak perlu menyerah untuk itu, gitu. Because you need to believe that universe gonna help you. Even though no one is helping you, that universe gonna help you. Jadi aku merasa seperti aku tertolong banget dengan universe. I start to do that. I start to say myself pretty. Oh, I'm so pretty. I'm so amazing. I'm so attractive, gitu. Perlahan, because I wasn't confident. Okay, I'm not a confident person. Before, I used to be so insecure about myself. Jadi aku benar-benar belajar to make myself getting better every day. I learned, I do scripting, afirmasi setiap hari afirmasi. Aku cantik, aku bahagia, I'm strong, I'm confident, and everything I say to myself. Dan aku sungguh-sungguh sangat berterima kasih bahwa perlahan-lahan itu berubah menjadi sesuatu yang nyata. Because my subconscious mind already know, like aku menyebarkan bubuk ke dalam my subconscious mind. Jadi dia merubah cara pikirnya. Jadi dia merubah cara pikirnya dari dimana aku dulu feeling insecure, aku dulu merasa tidak cantik, aku dulu merasa tidak berharga. Gitu. Aku juga dulu merasa bahwa I'm strong, but this is the power that I don't like. Gitu. Tapi sekarang I change myself into something better gitu. Itu tuh sampai sekarang aku masih belajar. I'm not going to say I am perfect, totally perfect. No, I'm not, because I'm still learning. Because there was a moment in my life I was off doing that, but I still believe that it was jeda time. Okay, waktu untuk aku beristirahat, a break time. So aku mulai lagi sampai akhirnya saat ini aku masih belajar. Dan kalian juga harus tahu bahwa bagaimanapun situasi kalian saat ini, you're gonna believe that everything is so perfect, everything exactly perfect in the divine timing, in the right time. Jadi jangan pernah menyerah dalam hidup ini, jangan pernah merasa bahwa you're not worthy at all. Jangan pernah, you don't have to blame the universe. Jangan pernah blame the universe, because actually universe is bagaimana aku bilangnya, dia itu benar-benar nyelamatin banget para umatnya ketika kalian percaya gitu. Dan untuk karma, it's not about like you are doing back to yourself, you're gonna get the bad things. Yeah, that's one of that karma, and that's how it works. But karma juga kepada kita, bagaimana kita membawa diri kita. So the people gonna respect us. Aku sungguh sangat berterima kasih banget bahwa I know about universe, I learned about universe loves me, and universe wants to be with me, and also universe always protect me. So aku benar-benar terima kasih banget. So I think this is the video that I'm going to share you. Actually, there are lots of parts that I'm not sharing here, because aku merasa bahwa it's already long, and maybe I'm going to tell you about different parts in the different video. So terima kasih banyak udah nonton, dan thank you so much. Bye my darling, I love you.